Mae ymwneud roi a chwaraeon yn ymestyn dros nifer o ddegawdau o'i ddyddiau chwarae rygbi gyda Chlwb Rygbi Llanelli, Cymru ac wrth gwrs y Llewod Prydeinig, hyd at heddi, lle mae'n parhau i gymryd ran weithredol mewn amrywiol rolau. Mae Roy wedi gwneud cyfraniad enfawr fel llywydd bechgyn Ysgol Gaerfyrddin a'r Cylch, a'i brif nod yw sicrhau bod y chwaraewyr yn mwynhau profiad rygbi gwych. Mae ei angerdd llethol am y gêm a lles y chwaraewyr yn ryfeddol, gan fuddsoddi yn hael swm sylweddol o'i amser fel model rôl sy'n ysbrydoli'r genhedlaeth nesaf.
For over 40 years, Vaughan has been an integral part of Llanelli Cricket Club, initially playing a pivotal role in the side's triumph in the South Wales League and promotion to the Premiership. Over the past 25 years, he's been actively involved in nurturing young talent and has held positions such as club secretary, club chairman and caretaker manager. Vaughan's dedication extends to the development of a girls' cricket pathway spanning from grassroots to elite level. From managing bar duties to organising dynamos and all-star cricket and coordinating fixtures for the first and second teams, Vaughan remains deeply involved.
Dechreuodd taith focsio dal yn blentyn pan gafodd fenig yn rodd a daniodd angerdd gydol oes. Ymunodd â chlwb bocsio Tymbal ac aeth ymlaen at gyrfa broffesiynol, lle enillodd cydnabyddiaeth fel bocsiwr ifanc gorau Cymru yn 1969. Arweiniodd anafiadau at ymddeoliad, ond parhaodd ei etifeddiaeth trwy hyfforddi a gwneud gwaith gwirfoddol yng Nghlwb Bocsio Trostre. Yma, cymerodd Del amryw o rolau, gyda'i ymdrechion yn cyfrannu at adnewyddu'r gampfa. Wrth gael ei gydnabod am ei ymroddiad, derbynodd Del aelodaeth oes o Gymdeithas Bocsio Amatur Cymru yn 2022.
Bruce joined Llanelli Athletics Club in 1978, becoming a vital member of the track and field team. He transitioned from competitor to field official, officiating in Welsh and regional championships. He qualified as a club coach in the 1990s, focusing on coaching endurance athletes. He served as a chairman from 2002 to 2008 and received life membership in 2015. In 2013, Bruce embraced Park Run, co-establishing the Llanelli Coast Park Run. He has completed over 180 park runs and has volunteered over 300 times.